DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, what's good? It's your boy DJ Delz back with a brand new mystery box. This was sent to me from Plastic Empire. Now these guys had this whole thing worked out with the Walker Stalker conventions, and my boy Clint, Franchise Kicks, he hit me up, he texted me, he was like, yo Delz, I know you're a big fan of The Walking Dead, you may want to check this out. So I checked it out. Each box cost $50. But you got like a listing of guaranteed autographs. Now, I really want this just for Walking Dead. Honestly, I really want a Walking Dead autograph Funko Pop. That's what I want. Any of them that were on the list would be totally awesome. They had Negan, they had Daryl, they had Rick Grimes, they had Abraham. Any of those guys, I would be very, very happy to get. And I may be missing some other people from the cast. Anyone from that cast, I'll be happy to get. But I have a funny feeling I won't have that luck. I do not have luck with mystery boxes. If you didn't watch the video that I did yesterday with Toy Tokyo, you'll see. I did not have luck with that. But we'll see what we get here, man. I've seen people get Daryl. I've seen people get Michael Myers even. And if it's any of those, I'll be happy. Almost dropped the box. Here's a look inside of the box, and man, I'm nervous. These mystery boxes, they give you a little bit of a thrill, you know? That's what's fun about it, but when you catch a loss, then it kind of sucks. And really, really looking forward to seeing this. I'll let you guys see first. It's not a Walking Dead pop. Oh, shoot! Okay, so I'm totally happy with this. Wow, look what we got here, man. Awesome. Autographed Boba Fett Funko Pop. Huge Star Wars guy. I have other Star Wars memorabilia that's autographed. So this is what I was telling you about right here. I got this poster from A New Hope, autographed by Peter, who plays Chewbacca, by Dave Prowse, who plays Darth Vader, and he doesn't do the voice of Darth Vader, that's Earl Jones, which I'd love to have an autograph of. I'd actually love to have him sign this right here. But it's still cool that, you know, it's Dave. Dave worked on all the original Star Wars films. And then we've got Carrie Fisher, which I absolutely love. I love Carrie Fisher. I was so sad when she passed away. It was really, really sad. Like, I was super sad, man. I was like, I felt like a family member died. It was that real. Like, that's how much I love Star Wars. And, man, that's an awesome addition to the collection right there. So I'm actually really, really happy with this. Even though it's not Rick Grimes, I really wanted like a Walking Dead Funko Pop. This is gonna be a great one for my collection. We caught a W in my eyes. As long as I'm happy, that's all that matters. This is what I want when I open up the mystery boxes. This kind of vibe, this kind of feel. So there's a close-up of the actual box right there. I want to give you a close-up look. Let me know what you think in your opinion too. Is this a L or a W? Did I lose on this or did I win on this? Leave that in the comments. Don't worry, you're not going to offend me. I don't have sensitive skin when it comes to these things. I also have a Scott Hall Funko Pop. That is my first autographed Funko. And I also have Alexa Bliss right there. That's my second autographed Funko. So this is my third one right here. And I'm very, very happy to have this in the collection. And it has, as you can see there, the Walker Stalker sticker. I actually just reviewed Boba Fett Han Solo in the Carbonite. I just reviewed this a couple of days ago, and it's a really awesome video. So definitely check it out. I take it out of the box, give you a detailed look. I show you all the other stuff that the Smuggler's Bounty Pack comes with. So it's a really good video. I would love for you guys to watch that. I'll put a pop-up somewhere on the screen. We got the Toy Tokyo video. Plus, I have a real fun video where I do a giveaway where I unbox 10 Funko Pops, the same Funko Pop. I ordered 10 of them to see if I can get a chase. Wanted to see what the odds would be. They say it's 1 in 6. See how many chases I get when I unbox 10 of the same Funko Pops. I highly recommend the video. Plus, I'm not giving away 1 Funko Pop. I'm giving away 2. So watch that video. I'll link that somewhere up top, or just go to the main page where all my latest videos are. I uploaded it, I think, yesterday or the day before. Check it out. And thank you so much for watching today's video. If you actually did this mystery box, let me know in the comment box what you got. I would love to also know what you got. And also let me know how you feel about mystery boxes in general. Are they worth it? Or hell no, it's a waste of money. F a damn mystery box. Leave that in the comments. Thanks for watching. Much love. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow, hopefully with a new video. We out.